Hi friends, welcome to our channel at Techies Talk. So in this video we are going to see about the two important formulas in MS Excel, that is concat and concatenate, and its difference. So before going into our video, please do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Let's begin. In both the formulas, that is concat and concatenate, may have a meaning similar, but the usage is different in MS Excel. We'll see brief about both the formulas and figure out the difference in that. Here we can take the same old example, that is we have some data for 7 students and I have given the marks. Concat and concatenation is nothing but joining the cell values and dropping that value into a particular cell. For example, we have 2 marks here, that is Tamil mark and science mark of a particular student AAA. So for the student, if I am going to join the cell value and dropping into one location, then I need to use this formula. But here you will be having a doubt, that is whether merging the two cells and concatenation is same or not. No, merging is different, concat is different, and concatenate is different. First we can go ahead for the concat. That is, now I am going to take these 4 mark and go for concat option. I am choosing this cell, give equal to concat, select this. Here in this concat, select the range, close the brace and enter. So you have this value, correct? If concatenate, go for concatenate, equal to concatenate. There in concat we have specified only the range without any delimiter, but concatenate you will be seeing the difference here. Here I am going to select this 4 values and give close bracket, enter. See, randomly it is picking up and dropping the value. The merging will not be proper in case of concatenation in that particular range. You need to be clear that we can't give any range inside concatenate. If in case of using concatenate formula, you need to be clear that concatenate will be using with the delimiter. Here drop in a comma, E8, F8, comma, G8, comma, H8. That's it. Give enter. You will be getting the similar answer as we do the concat. But if you notice here, if here we have only four columns and we need to merge the cells in the 4 columns, but think of larger data and real-time data. The real-time data will be very larger, and in case if you are going for concatenate formula, we need to use the delimiter for each and every cell, whereas in concat without any delimiter we will be getting the answer. If in case you need to drop any commas also, it will be possible in the concat method. That is, here drop in that ampersand, ampersand. So 78, 67 will be the answer. I can drop in anything, that is I can give as instead of comma I can pass some thing. So it will exponential will also be possible. Any symbol I can use it for any merge of two cells. So this is the main difference in the between the concat and concatenate formula. I repeat, concatenate will be used with along with the delimiter for specifying a range, whereas in concat we don't need to use any delimiter. Without any delimiter we can specify the range, and the concat will be very flexible for usage. This is for this video. I am signing off right now. If you have any doubts, please post on your queries and stay tuned. I am signing off right now. Thank you. Bye.